How to connect AirPods to iPhone manually. Step 1. Open your iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth, and make sure it's turned on. Your iPhone needs Bluetooth enabled to discover your AirPods. Step 2. Now, place both AirPods in the case and open the lid. Press and hold the setup buttons on the back of the case until the front light flashes white. That means they are in pairing mode. Step 3. On your iPhone, look under Other Devices in the Bluetooth menu. Tap your AirPods name when it appears and wait for the connection to complete. Step 4. Once connected, test the sound by playing music or video. You can also check battery levels in Control Center or the battery widget. If your iPods won't connect, try resetting them. Hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white again. Reconnect from scratch. And that's it.